Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video I am going to show you how to increase your Instagram stories views. So in this video I am going to explain you 5 tips how to do this. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So the first one is using multiple hashtag. So I will open my Instagram application and I will show you how to use properly multiple hashtag in your Instagram stories. So first of all, I will open my Instagram application and I will select any one image for my Instagram stories. So for now I am selecting this image. So there are two ways to use hashtag in your Instagram stories. The first one is by clicking on this one, you will get the option as hashtag. So whenever you will use here hashtag, so this is a way and you can minimize and maximize this size, but you are not able to add more than one hashtag here. So this is not a proper way or more useful to use this trick. So I will remove this one and I will use normal text. So I have used 6 to 7 hashtag here. So to make our Instagram stories more attractive, I will minimize this size and I will change the color as black as my background and I will place it here. So here, since I am using the hashtag but it is not visible, okay, so it is looking more good, more beautiful, and it is looking very clean. So in this way you can use multiple hashtag in a proper manner and this will definitely help you to gain more number of views in your Instagram stories. So this was a first trick and now we will move to a second one. So here the second trick is post stories in every 2 to 3 hours. That means if you have 2 to 3 image or videos for today, then don't post all those stories, all those images or videos in same hours. So if you have a 3 image or videos, then keep a gap of 2 to 3 hours or 3 to 4 hours between each and every stories. So that will help you to gain more views, more engagement. And the third one is use location tag. So whenever you are posting on Instagram stories, on the top right you can see the sticker of using a location tags. So use location tags in your Instagram stories. And the fourth one is use more videos as compared to image. That means whenever you are posting Instagram stories, try to post videos, because the videos, the reach and the engagement the is having more for Instagram for a videos. Like if you are posting any image and if you are posting any video, that video will gain more views as compared to that image. And I will show you this live example in my Instagram account. So the difference between the views, I think there will be around 15 to 20% difference in the views. So I will open my Instagram application and I will show you there. So here you can see the difference. On the 27th July I have posted my Instagram stories and you can see the view is 23k, and same day you can see here I have posted a video and 27 July and you can see the view is around 29k. So this was a difference between Instagram stories while posting image and videos in Instagram stories. So always prefer videos in Instagram stories as compared to so the fifth trick is public account. So if you have a Instagram page or Instagram account, so you should keep your Instagram account as a public if you are using all those 5 trick. Because if you are using a hashtag or a location tag, that means, for example, if you are using a location tag like India, and only the people can see, like if your account is public, then only people can see in the search or in the suggested stories. But if your account is public, only your followers can see, none others can see your stories. Same case with the hashtag also. If people are searching with a particular hashtag, they can see your Instagram stories only when your account is public. So if you want to gain more and more Instagram stories, more views, then you need to keep your account as a public. So this was a 5 tips and trick how to increase your Instagram stories views, and I have also shown you the difference between while posting the image and Instagram stories. So let me know in comment if this trick is working for you. I hope it will work for everyone because I was doing experiment on this one from last few months. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any doubt related to Instagram, you can comment me below, and you can also ping me in my Instagram account.